Students, you all are welcome to Math Maha Mantra, where number speaks, logic rules, and the concept becomes crystal clear. आज एक वेरी स्पेसिफिक कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आया हूँ मैं आपके सामने। तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? प्रीवियस वीडियो में कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के बारे में मैं डिस्कस किया हूँ। इसमें एक इमेजिनरी यूनिट होता है दैट वी कॉल आई। आई मीन्स आयोटा। इसको कैसे डिफाइन किया गया है? आयोटा is defined as root over minus 1. Okay. So if you square this iota, what will be the result? That is equal to minus 1. Agree? Okay. तो I का पावर I होगा, तो रिजल्ट क्या होगा? Will it be a real number or imaginary? That is the point of discussion. तो आपको मालूम है कि there is a very famous concept in mathematics developed by Euler, which is known as Euler's formula. ये क्या है? e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. तो मैथमेटिशियन यूलर इन द ईयर 1740 इस कॉन्सेप्ट को डेवलप किए थे, जो एक एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन को ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन एवं इमेजिनरी नंबर को कैसे रिलेट किया जाता है, यही तो दर्शाता है। तो अगर मैं बोलूँगा इफ आई रिप्लेस थीटा बाई पाई बाई 2, देन व्हाट विल आई गेट? e to the power I into pi by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. That is equal to, what is cos pi by 2? That is 0 plus I into, what is sin pi by 2? You know, that is 1. So what is the result? That is I. So I can be represented as e to the power I into pi by 2. Is it clear? Go ahead. प्रीवियस वीडियो में थ्योरी ऑफ इंडिसेस के बारे में मैं डिस्कस किया था, जिसमें एक रूल था पावर ऑफ ए पावर रूल। ये क्या था? ये किसी भी नंबर x इसका पावर अगर m है, होल पावर इसका अगर n है, तो इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? इट विल बी x टू द पावर m and into n. Okay, this is called power of a power rule, POP in short. Okay, so इसी पावर रूल को मैं अप्लाई करूंगा to verify whether I to the power I is a real number or not. Okay, let's go to discuss. I to the power I means what? I means e to the power I into pi by 2. Then what is I to the power I? Obviously it will be e to the power I into pi by 2 to the power I. So according to this power of a power rule, POP, I can express this as e to the power I square into pi by 2, because powers directly multiply. What is I square? That is equal to minus 1. So that is e to the power minus pi by 2. Okay. So e to the power minus pi by 2, again it can be represented as 1 by e to the power pi by 2, because you know x to the power minus n is equal to 1 by x to the power n, right? So what will be the value of this? If you calculate this value, you will get approximately this result, 0.2078. Approximately it will be equal to this. So what is this number? It is a real number. Okay, so I to the power I is a real number, is not an imaginary number. क्लियर हुआ? तो आज यहाँ तक। अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. If there is any problem, then please write in the comment box so that I can resolve your problem. Thank you all for watching this video. Wait for my next video. Thank you.